Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing pound versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound dollar, I still think this is likely to go up and either make a running flat or an expanding flat. I'm definitely leaning towards expanding flat because I think it'd make more sense for it to take out these highs. This is probably all one big ABC correction to the downtrend. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this is very clearly a wave 1, nice 5 waves of 1. WXY, which I think is clearly a wave 2, and I think this is most likely a wave 3, and I think that this wave 3 will continue to make higher highs, higher lows, especially on the daily and weekly time frame. Going down to the daily time frame, looks like we already have a complete 5 waves of 1. Most likely we already have a complete wave 2, and most likely we are in a wave 3. Does kind of look like it has that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape to it. So maybe we will get a push down. Maybe we will get a bigger structure and a bigger correction before it continues up. But if this really is a wave 3, then it probably will not make that much of a pullback. It's probably more likely it will just continue to make higher highs and higher lows on the daily, weekly time frame. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, this is where it starts to really look like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5. If you see 5 waves, often you will think that this will go down, will break structure, make a bigger correction before it actually continues the uptrend, which I definitely think is possible, except for the fact that I think we're in a wave 3 on the higher time frames, which makes me think that even if it does go down, it's probably likely to continue to make higher lows, and just keep on trending up in this big wave 3 on the weekly, monthly time frame. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we do have CPI interest rate today for the dollar. Definitely a very, very big news event. Even the wave 5 looks like it has 5 waves, so I would definitely expect some sort of a move down. And the question is it going to go all the way down, take out this lower wave 4? If it does, that's definitely the end of a trend. If it doesn't do that, if it just does something like this, then I would definitely still be looking for longs primarily. I would put my Fibonacci retracement level from the high to the low. I would still, probably sometime next week look to get long for the continuation of the uptrend. And really, because we're in a wave 3 on the much, much higher time frames, it doesn't even necessarily have to make a correction like this. I mean, I would not be surprised at all if it just shot up at today's CPI news. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.